Hi friend, how are you? Today I am going to solve very important question from miscellaneous exercise chapter 3 of matrix. Question number first, let A is a square matrix of order 2 by 2 having element 0, 1, 0, 0 so that AI plus BA whole power n equal to A to the power ni plus n A to the power n minus 1 BA, where I is the identity matrix of order 2 and n belong to any natural number, means n will start from 1. I will solve this problem by the help of PMI, means principle of mathematical induction, which you have studied in your previous class, that is in class 11th. There are 3 steps associated with PMI. In first step, I will just summarize the step. In the first step, we will check it for n equal to 1. And the second step, we will check it for n equal to k. In the third step, we will check it for n equal to k plus 1. Let us start. Step first. Step first. For n equal to 1, left hand side LHS equal to AI plus BA whole power 1. The right hand side RHS equal to A to the power 1i plus 1 into A to the power 1 minus 1 BA. Means AI plus A to the power 0 means 1 AI plus BA. Therefore, we are getting that left hand side equal to right hand side. It's verified for n equal to 1. Now, it will true for n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. So, second step we can write by the reference of step number first. For n equal to, let us suppose the general value of n is k. AI plus BA whole power k equal to A to the power ki plus k A to the power k minus 1 BA. This is your first equation. This is also very important, and this is the helping equation as well. Step number third. For n equal to k plus 1, we have to show A to the power AI plus BA whole power k plus 1 equal to A to the power k plus 1i plus k plus 1 into A to the power k BA. This we have to show. Okay, start from the left hand side. LHS equal to AI plus BA whole power k plus 1. You split it by the law of exponent. AI plus BA whole power k into AI plus BA. The value of AI plus BA whole power k from equation number second. Its values A to the power k I plus ka to the power k minus 1 BA into AI plus BA. Now you will apply algebraical multiplications. Now first term with first term first term of this with the second term of this, second term of this with the first term of this, second term of this with the second term of this. Okay, by applying this, first term multiplied with first term of second LCM expression, a to the power k plus 1 I into I. Identity matrix multiply by itself, you will get always identity matrix. Now a to the power ki into ba, a to the power k I ba. Next, plus k a to the power k minus 1 into a, k a to the power k ba. ba into I means any matrix multiply with the identity matrix, you will get same matrix. You can ignore the I as well. Plus k a to the power k minus 1 b into b square a square. Now fourth term is very important. We have to find out the value of this term by the help of the matrix A, because here is A square. So at first I will find out A square after multiplying matrix A by itself. I am doing this here. A square into A means matrix A 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 0. After multiplying, you can see first row by first column, second row by first column, first row by second column, second row by second column. You will get a square matrix, zero matrix of order 2 by 2. Since A square is zero matrix, so zero matrix multiplied by any value, the result will be itself a zero. So this form will be a zero matrix. Okay. So you can write the next step. In the next step, a to the power k plus 1 I plus a to the power k I ba. You may ignore the I. You may ignore the I. I ba simply can write ba plus k a to the power k ba. Okay, this is 0. Means a to the power k plus 1. We have to prove this. I plus what is common in second and third term? A to the power k ba is common. So what will be k plus 1 a to the power k ba. Hence proved. Because we have to prove in the third step this a to the power k plus 1 I plus k plus 1 a to the power k b. This is proved. So thank you very much, my dear student. In the next video I will tell you some very important questions from same exercise. Thank you very much.